Stay tuned. We'll be right back after these messages.
Airbag recall, whatever.
Let me guess, ignore the airbag recall?
Next Thursday, a brand new roadside hits the brakes.
Airbag now. At this year's Auto Future Show, get closer than ever to safety tech. Try the airbag demo and feel the cushion fire in real time. The new exhibit opens Saturday in Hall C.
I grew up around cars. Safety was always the part that fascinated me most. When the chance came to be the one in the driver's seat, I didn't hesitate. Someone has to prove these systems work. I wanted to be that someone. If what I do makes one car safer or inspires one more person to help test, it's worth it.
Press a button. Whoosh, and your safety airbag becomes the coziest pillow in the sky. AirBreeze Airbag Pillow, only on XYZ Air.
Accidents don't wait for the right time. They happen in a blink when you're simply getting home or headed to the store. With Northline Insurance.
Ever wish your airbag had your back before things go wrong? Now it can. With the deployable airbag system, I can choose when to cushion up. Long before impact. Just pull this cord, and it gently inflates. It's soft, it's stable, and it keeps me in control.
Losing weight's tough, especially when late-night cravings sneak in more calories than you need. Introducing Fridge Guard, the first airbag made to deploy from your refrigerator and stop those midnight raids cold.
Decades, big rigs have hauled millions of miles without the simplest protection for the people behind the wheel. We think it's about time that changed. The all-new Warpath series.
The first open-world driving game with real crash physics and real airbags. Metro Drive. The city is yours.
For more than half a century, scientists have been testing, retesting, and pushing the limits of a life-saving invention. From the first bold deployments of the 70s to the refined, rapid protection we trust today. Join us for the evolution of the airbag, a history in impact.
She thought a locked garage meant she was safe, but this car doesn't want her to leave.
No, stop!
It wants her to suffer.
I can't breathe!
A new episode of Haunted Drive, next Friday.
When your computer crashes, it can feel like the end of the world. But now, with the CrashCush desktop airbag, you're protected from the impact of sudden system failure. It deploys instantly, then
Tired of strangers invading your personal space? Introducing Fanny Shield, the world's first airbag-equipped fanny pack designed to keep unwanted hugs at bay. With a single press, Fanny Shield inflates an
I loved the job, but one chase changed everything. When the suspect clipped us, my car spun, and the airbag went off. I walked away, but the recovery took months, and the bills piled up. No arrest is worth more lives put at risk.
30 minutes to go.
Yeah, and the line's already wrapped around the block.
Go. There's one here!
Oh, wow.
Or skip the chaos. The best Black Friday deals are online.
Winter walkways can be a slippery surprise, but with the doormat airbag, your landing is softer than a snowflake.
Oh, that's better.
Just step, slip, and let our instant inflating cushion keep.
Tired of crooks sneaking off with your ride? Meet Thief Buster, the self-deploying airbag that stops car thieves cold. When a break-in is detected, Thief Buster inflates instantly, pinning the criminal in place and alerting you.
Oh, no.
Borrowing the car without the family's permission just inflated the cost of her outing, as Sherry faces the dilemma of replacing the...
And that's why this new bill is just another win for common sense. Finally, someone is...
Here we go.
Don't finally putting America...
Press the button.
Oh,
Yep, that did it.
Much better.
Thanks.
Introducing the Blabberbagger, your table's ultimate conversation.
On your way to work, you expect a smooth ride. But sometimes elevators have other plans.
Whoa!
Introducing the Elevator Cloud Cushion, the first inflatable safety airbag designed just for elevators. At the first sign of trouble, it deploys in a heartbeat.